The last chemotherapy session. The finality of it hangs in the air, a double-edged sword. Relief washes over, tinged with the bittersweet taste of uncertainty. The battle against cancer, arduous and daunting, has been fought. Scars, both visible and invisible, bear testament to the struggle. Yet, with the dawn of each new day, hope flickers, a beacon in the heart of the storm. This is the essence of survival, embracing the unknown with courage, holding on to hope with unwavering conviction. Cancer, once a death sentence, is now a chronic illness for many. Advances in medicine have ushered in an era of unprecedented survival rates. Yet, surviving cancer is only the beginning. The journey of rehabilitation, often overlooked, is as crucial as the fight against the disease itself. It is a journey back to life, a reclaiming of the self that cancer threatened to eclipse. This is a journey that celebrates the strength of the human spirit, the indomitable will to not just exist, but to truly live. It is a journey paved with challenges, setbacks, and triumphs. It is a testament to the power of the human spirit to heal, to adapt, and to emerge stronger even in the face of adversity. The physical scars of cancer, the surgical incisions, the ports, the loss of hair, are often the most visible reminders of the battle fought. But it is the unseen scars, the emotional and psychological wounds that run deeper, often hidden from plain sight. The fear of recurrence, the anxiety that lingers, the shadows of trauma, these are the silent battles that rage within. The journey of emotional recovery is deeply personal and profoundly individual. Some find solace in sharing their stories, in connecting with others who understand their pain. Others seek refuge in creative expression, pouring their emotions onto canvases or into journals. There is no right or wrong way to heal the wounds of the soul. What matters is acknowledging the pain, giving it space to breathe, and seeking support when needed. Mental health professionals, support groups, and loved ones can provide invaluable support during these challenging times. Remember, seeking help is not a sign of weakness, but a testament to your strength and your commitment to healing. Cancer treatment takes a toll on the body, leaving many feeling weak, fatigued, and depleted. Physical rehabilitation becomes crucial in restoring strength, mobility, and overall well-being. Physical therapists, with their expertise in movement and function, become partners in this journey of reclaiming one's physical self. Tailored exercises, carefully designed to meet individual needs and limitations, help rebuild muscle strength, improve cardiovascular health, and increase flexibility. The focus is not just on restoring physical function, but also on improving quality of life. Simple activities like walking, climbing stairs, or even brushing one's teeth can feel like monumental victories in the early stages of rehabilitation. Each step, each movement is a celebration of the body's incredible ability to heal and adapt. It is a reminder that even in the face of adversity, the human body possesses an innate capacity for resilience and renewal. The emotional toll of cancer can be as devastating as the physical impact. Fear, anxiety, sadness, and even anger are natural responses to the diagnosis and treatment of a life-threatening illness. Healing the emotional body becomes as important as healing the physical body. Mindfulness practices such as meditation and deep breathing exercises can help calm the mind, reduce stress, and promote emotional well-being. These practices encourage individuals to connect with the present moment, to observe their thoughts and emotions without judgment, and to cultivate a sense of inner peace. Support groups and individual therapy provide safe spaces for survivors to share their experiences, process their emotions, and find solace in the company of others who understand their journey. Expressing one's feelings, whether through words, art, music, or any other form of creative outlet, can be incredibly therapeutic. Section 5. The Power of Touch. Physical Rehabilitation. Physical rehabilitation, often tailored to individual needs, plays a crucial role in restoring physical function and improving quality of life after cancer treatment. Physical therapists, with their expertise in movement and the human body, become invaluable allies in this journey. Gentle exercises, gradually increasing in intensity, help rebuild muscle mass and strength lost during treatment. Range of motion exercises help improve flexibility and mobility, allowing survivors to regain independence in their daily activities. The focus is not just on restoring physical function, but on empowering survivors to move with confidence and ease. Physical therapy also addresses issues like lymphedema, a common side effect of cancer treatment that causes swelling in the limbs. Through specialized techniques like manual lymphatic drainage and compression therapy, physical therapists help manage this condition and improve the flow of lymph fluid. Section 6. Beyond the finish line, the importance of follow-up care. The completion of cancer treatment is often met with a mix of relief and apprehension. While the immediate threat may have subsided, the journey is far from over. Follow-up care becomes crucial in monitoring for any signs of recurrence, managing long-term side effects of treatment, and ensuring overall well-being. Regular checkups with oncologists, often scheduled at increasing intervals, allow for early detection of any changes or concerns. These visits provide an opportunity for survivors to discuss any lingering side effects, adjust medications if needed, and address any new symptoms that may arise. Follow-up care extends beyond medical monitoring. It encompasses a holistic approach to well-being, addressing the physical, emotional, and psychosocial needs of survivors as they navigate life after cancer. Section 7. Finding strength in shared journeys, support groups, and communities. The journey through cancer, though deeply personal, is rarely traveled alone. Support groups and communities offer a lifeline of shared experiences, providing a space for survivors and their loved ones to connect, share their stories, and draw strength from one another. In these safe and supportive environments, survivors realize they are not alone in their fears, their anxieties, and their triumphs. They hear stories of resilience and hope, finding inspiration in the journeys of others who have walked similar paths. Support groups provide a platform to share coping mechanisms, exchange information about resources, and navigate the challenges of life after cancer together. For many survivors, these groups become a source of invaluable emotional support, providing a sense of belonging and understanding that can be difficult to find elsewhere. The power of shared experience, of knowing that others truly understand the complexities of the journey, cannot be overstated. Section 8. A tapestry of resilience weaving hope and strength. The journey beyond cancer is a tapestry woven with threads of resilience, hope, and the unwavering human spirit. It is a testament to the power of the human body to heal, the capacity of the mind to adapt, and the unwavering strength of the human spirit. Every survivor's story is unique, a testament to their individual battles and triumphs. Yet, there's a common thread that binds them, an unyielding spirit, a fierce determination to not just survive but to thrive. They emerge from the depths of adversity, forever changed, yet stronger, wiser, and more appreciative of life's precious gifts. These stories, often shared with raw honesty and vulnerability, serve as beacons of hope for others navigating their own cancer journeys. They remind us that even in the darkest of times, hope flickers, and the human spirit, much like the phoenix, has the remarkable ability to rise from the ashes stronger and more resilient than before. Section 9. The legacy of survival inspiring generations. Each survivor, consciously or unconsciously, becomes a beacon of hope, illuminating the path for others. Their stories, etched with courage and resilience, serve as powerful reminders that even in the face of immense adversity, the human spirit can triumph. Their legacies extend beyond their own personal journeys, inspiring future generations to approach life's challenges with unwavering strength and determination. They become advocates for early detection, for improved treatment options, and for a world where cancer no longer evokes fear, but instead ignites a collective spirit of resilience and hope. The fight against cancer is a collective one, a human endeavor that transcends geographical boundaries and cultural differences. It's a fight fueled by scientific advancements, compassionate care, and the unwavering spirit of survivors who dare to hope for a brighter future. Section 10, A Future Ablaze with Hope. As we delve deeper into the 21st century, the landscape of cancer treatment continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace. Advancements in immunotherapy, targeted therapies, and personalized medicine offer new hope for more effective and less invasive treatment options. The future of cancer treatment is shifting from a one-size-fits-all approach to a more personalized and precise approach, tailored to the unique genetic makeup of each patient's tumor. The dream is a future where cancer is no longer a death sentence, but a chronic illness that can be managed effectively, allowing individuals to live long and fulfilling lives. This vision is within reach, fueled by the tireless efforts of researchers, clinicians, and advocates around the world. But even as we strive towards that future, it's crucial to remember that the journey beyond cancer is about more than just survival rates and medical advancements. It's about embracing life in all its fullness, celebrating each milestone, and finding joy in the simplest of things. It's about living with hope, with courage, and with an unwavering belief in the resilience of the human spirit.